Hello, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So Christmas and New Year are around the corner. So during the next few weeks, I'll be preparing some easy party recipes that you can try this Christmas or New Year. So the first video in that series is this easy Arabic grilled chicken recipe called Alfaham chicken. This is super easy to prepare. The ingredients list required for this dish is given in the description box below. Do check it out. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell and also like, share and comment. So let's jump right in. I've taken a whole chicken without skin. You can use the skin if you wish to. It's about 700 grams to 1000 grams in weight. I've removed the backbone of the chicken, which is called spatchcocking, because this helps in cooking the chicken faster. Now I've applied some gashes on the chicken like this so that the masala or marinade seeps in nicely. Now we need to remove all the excess moisture on the chicken, for which I'm going to be using a kitchen towel. Wipe it nicely from all sides so that all the moisture is absorbed. This will help the masala to catch on the chicken faster. So now I'm going to apply the first marination. For that I've got some ginger garlic paste in here. I'm also going to be adding some curd to this. Now I'm adding black pepper powder. This you can add as per taste. Now I'm adding salt to taste. Now mix everything together and apply it on the chicken. Now I'm going to pour some lime juice into this. Mix that in as well and make sure you coat the chicken from all sides nicely in this marination. So now the marination is done. Let's allow this to rest for 30 minutes before we apply the second marination. So we'll prepare for the second marination now. So for the second marination, I've got a kadai on fire. Into that I'm going to add some fennel seeds, coriander seeds, dried red chilli, cinnamon, clove, green cardamom and some cumin seeds. We'll just add it to the pan and dry roast it for some time. So now I've dry roasted it nicely and it's browned a little. Let's switch off the flame now and let this cool completely. Now into this we'll add onions, tomato and some coriander leaves. We'll make a paste out of all these ingredients and that's our second marination ready. Now the chicken has marinated in the first marination for 30 minutes. Now we'll apply the second marination onto it. Rub it in nicely so that it coats the chicken nicely from all sides. Now we'll let this sit for another 30 minutes in this marination. So it's been 30 minutes, the chicken is ready to be put in the oven. I've already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. So let's place this into a baking tray lined with aluminium foil and put it into the oven. So I'm going to place the chicken into the oven and we'll just set the timer for 40 minutes. And the temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. So the chicken has cooked nicely. You can cook this on the gas stove as well. It will take a little time, but then you can do it on the stove as well. If you want the chicken to have a little bit of color after the 40 minutes time, you can just put this on grill mode and cook it for another 10 minutes. This will make it crispy and golden. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.